Okay guys, now we will see the first portfolio that you will send me to evaluate your first version. Okay, we will see what is a portfolio. Portfolio is a recapitulation of exercises, activities, and homeworks. It is the most important part of the evaluation because it has the higher percentage. This is very important because it's the half of the evaluation. Okay, the first portfolio have these elements. The first one, make a concept map that define formulas and functions, including difference between them. Okay, exists an example of that portfolio here. It will be on the themes. This is the cover pages, the elements, and this is a concept map. Okay, difference between formulas and functions. Okay. Number two, choose 4 exercises of formulas and functions, 2 for each one, 2 of formulas and 2 of functions. Here's another sample. Remember, this is a sample, not will be a copy of that. Because, for example, here the first exercises that portfolio, we didn't make that exercise. Yes, remember, the number 2, you will choose 4 exercises that you did. Okay. Okay, continue with the number 3. Make a chart of four formulas and describe it. Okay, for example here, well, this is the 4 exercises. Yes, and the next point, the next element is a chart. Okay, you need to describe how you did that. The same description for all the exercises that you use for that portfolio. Okay, number 4, create 2 everyday situations where you apply functions. For example, here, this is an everyday situation. I don't know, all the week in my house, give me some money that I need to manage because I want money for the weekend. Yes, well, and this is expenses of a week. This is the money that my parents give me, and this is the expenses and what quantity of money I have for the weekend. Yes, you need to describe the formulas and how you did your chart. Okay, you need to conclude and describe how does team, what did you learn, and you need to answer the following questions. Can formula simplify a situation? Can a solution in a data sheet reduce the time of a situation? Okay, individual conclusion about what I learned. And before turn on me your portfolio, check first all your work using the learning map. What is the learning map? This is the learning map. That table specify what I will check forget that value of that element. Yes, and this is another table that is more specific. Yes, you need to check first with that table if you have enough score to pass the portfolio. Okay, well, specifications, clear and neat. Well, this is if clean, if you will print it, but it's not necessary. You need to send me to Teams. Yeah, but neat is important because when I open the portfolio, sometimes I open and the first page are conclude and described what you learn. it is not the first. The first is make a concept map. Okay. Arial font size 11 for the content of the document. Cover page with the full names in alphabetical order by the last name. 5 student maximum. Okay, if you want to get covers, you can get from this link: number of portfolio, day of delivery, topics. You want to send me to my Gmail. You will send me to Homework Inc. Microsoft Teams. Okay. The sent, you will send me that. The portfolio in Microsoft Word is a document. Why in Word if you are working on Excel? Because every exercise that you will send me is describing Word and a screen capture of that exercise, yes, and describe the formulas that you used. Okay, so you will send me that, and it's not necessary that send me every exercise by one. No, you can send me in one file of Excel all the exercise that you use for that portfolio. Okay. A portfolio without the current specifications will not check by me. Remember, attach all the files, not share using a cloud service. Well, this is for email sent. What? Okay, this is all about the first portfolio, guys. I think it is easy, but is large. So that work is by teams. Okay. See you guys.